I did a body paint yesterday, and as you can see, I think I just didn't take it off properly. Actually, I'm not too sure if this is body paint. I think because I had eyeshadow here, so yeah, I definitely did not take it properly off. Yeah, so we will have to deal with this for the moment, even though I feel like I am going to cover it anyway, so we will see how this will go. I'm not too sure how I'm gonna do this look. Anyway. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Now for this year's Valentine special, I am going to do an original look. The past years I have been picking League of Legends Valentine skins, and to be honest, I was considering to do another League of Legends Valentine's Day skin, and I was thinking that it would be nice if I did Heartseeker Vayne, but then I realized I don't have the wig that's right for her, so I gave up on that plan. So I was like, I'm going to do something original, and I've been enjoying doing original looks lately, so here we go. So first I'm going to add this primer, which I know that I've said it before, but it smells so good. I look like, you know, those judges that wear those wigs with the curls? I look exactly like that. I look more and more ridiculous each video. As you know, I am going to be mixing these two foundations, and I'm going to add some of this because once again I would like to be super pale, and I feel like this is not going to be enough, so I'm going to add even white body paint. Right, as you can see, I am not pale enough and the pink is still coming through and it really annoys me. But I'm going to apply some white body paint on top, but this one, not the clown white one, because this one is definitely more thick and I want it to be more sheer. So as you can see, there is a massive difference. So I am going to stipple on some watered down body paint, and then I'm just going to blend it away with another brush. And I'm going to do the same on my chest. I am going to be pink on the chest, and you know what? That's fine. I'm now going to add the tiniest amount of concealer under my eyes. And I'm going to set everything with this translucent powder. Can't get over how my chest is pink. It annoys me. Okay, so as you can see, I did one side of my face because I didn't really know how this was going to go, so it was a test for me as well. Actually, all of my videos are tests because I never rehearse them. I just go straight to the camera with an idea in my head, which is not always very clear. So I'm going to dip into James Charles's palette, and I'm going to take this red eyeshadow, and as you can see, I will focus it on the outer part of my eye, but I'm going to take it into the crease too, and I'm also going to take it to my lower lash line. And as you can see, I've got the other brush on my hand because I'm going to blend everything away with it. This blend, I'm into it. So since I've got the red eyeshadow on my hands, I might as well want to go and do the rest of my face with it. Now I'm gonna do my brows just to get those out of the way, and I'm of course going to use the brow pomade that I always use. And to fill this spot in, I'm just going to take this powder brow filler. And I'm now going to cut my crease using the same concealer I use for my under eyes. And on top of that, I'm going to be using this eyeshadow. And now I'm going to kind of blend the two colors together. Right, so now on top of the blush pink, I will be using this pearlescent powder, which you know I adore because I've been using non-stop ever since it was gifted to me. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and add that on top. And I added a lot of liquid once again because I suck. It's not supposed to be crusty. I just suck. And I'm putting the same powder as a highlight under my brow bone. This is beautiful. I'm going to use this liquid red lipstick as my eyeliner. And I'm of course going to wing it. And I'll be using a red lip pencil on my waterline. That tickled me so bad, oh my god, my hair is watering. Now I'm going to add some mascara on my top lashes. And now I'll be taking some white body paint again, but the clown white one, which is thicker. And I'm going to create the line under my eyebrow as well as the hearts and also this extended inner corner. And now I'm going to add freckles like on this side with the same body paint. And while this is drying, I'm just going to tap it with my fingers, and this way I'm going to create more freckles. And I'm not too sure what I want to do with my lips. Do I want to simply apply some red lipstick? Do I want to do something different? And I think I'm gonna go for the different. So I'm gonna take some of the red eyeshadow. So I'm taking some of the red eyeshadow and I'm going to go on the edges of my lips. Pray for me. That tickles so much. Okay, I don't mind it so far. What? Do I really and honestly look like that? My mirror says differently, okay? I'm going to use the same lipstick that I used on my eyes as an eyeliner. I do not think I have ever overlined my lips this much. And now I'm thinking, should I apply a lip oil on top to make it look very juicy, because I feel like I need to. And I will just add. Why have you forsaken me? And as a finishing touch, I have got a rose here and I'm taking its petals and I'm going to stick them everywhere. I only have black lash glue. This should do the work. I would put some more, but I just don't like the way that the other petals look like, so I'll just pass if that's okay. So this was the video and I really hope that you enjoyed it. Please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. I upload videos every Sunday as well as some Wednesdays too. Thank you all very, very much for watching and I'll see you all on my next video. Bye bye!